Imagine a penny stock trading at just 84 cents per share a year ago, now skyrocketing to an unbelievable $9.61. Chart increasing, that's over 10x growth in just 12 months. What's fueling this massive surge? Is it a breakthrough innovation, a game-changing market trend, or something entirely unexpected? And more importantly, could this stock still be the key to transforming your portfolio? If you're passionate about penny stocks and hunting for the next big win, this video is your ultimate guide. We'll explore the untold story behind this incredible rise and uncover whether it's a smart play for savvy investors like you. Don't miss a second, this might just be the stock that changes everything. Guys, I pour my heart and soul into creating these videos to bring you the best insights on penny stocks and investment opportunities. If you found this video helpful or learned something new, it would mean the world to me if you could hit that like button. Let's aim for 500 likes. And if you're enjoying this content and want to stay updated on more exciting stock picks and strategies, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support keeps me motivated to keep going and sharing valuable information with you. Thank you so much for being part of this journey. Are you ready to uncover a penny stock that could potentially make you a millionaire? Imagine investing in a stock priced at just 84 cents a year ago and watching it surge to $9.61 today. That's a jaw-dropping 1,000% plus growth in just 12 months. If you had invested $1,000 back then, you'd be holding over $11,000 now. This kind of explosive growth is the dream of every penny stock investor. But what's even more exciting? The potential for this stock to continue climbing as its industry booms. Now, let's talk about the industry itself. Quantum computing is no longer just a futuristic concept, it's becoming a game-changer in sectors like healthcare, finance, logistics, and artificial intelligence. As industries race to adopt quantum technology, companies leading this space have massive room for growth. Quantum computing is expected to revolutionize how we solve complex problems, opening up opportunities worth billions. Investing in a quantum computing pioneer isn't just about riding a trend, it's about positioning yourself at the forefront of a technological revolution. So, what's the name of this skyrocketing penny stock? It's D-Wave Quantum Incorporated, a leader in quantum computing solutions with real-world applications already making an impact. With its recent price surge and the immense potential of the industry it operates in, this is a company you simply can't ignore. But remember, every investment carries risks, so always do your research. Could this be your ticket to financial freedom? Only time will tell.